All right. Got a little setup going.
Just trying to take a nice casual stroll home. Yeah.
Little goodies. Little elk. Little setup to get this fucker finally ready to lock up for Papa. Gotta. Well, that'd be nice to get the right setting on there, huh? So, caliper bracket, pins. My pins are seized up, right? So it wasn't so fun at Pat's not having a totally functional e-brake, so just clutch kicking for the win. And your boy's not so seasoned with that, if you will, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Stay. You always gotta get a little backup jack under there, huh? I don't know where we're gonna fucking fit this thing. We'll, don't need to go no higher than we need to. A little tricky roo. The heater's on. Lifesaver. Yeah. Let's get this on there. About like that. A little back up. Okay. For safety. Alright. Lug nuts, all that fun stuff. Alright, yeah. We'll see what happens. Get these fucking brakes going to snatch some shit. Peace.